I'm so excited to finally have our own place! Are we sure we're in the right spot? This one seems a little… gross. 8-legged roommates? No way! Ladies, let's make this place our own. Ew. That has got to go. Ugh. Nope. Definitely not salvageable. Ugh. Move it! It's amazing what a little elbow grease can do. All done. Where's Cheryl? Hey. Looking for me? What's all that for? Oh, of course. Every apartment needs one thing. Well, aside from a bathroom, of course. Yep, you guessed it. We built ourselves our very own bed. Correction. A triple bunk bed. Did you know plants purify the air? And they look great, too. Excuse me? Oops. Sorry about that. Hey! Want to see a nifty trick? Use a ring like this. And tie your favorite color tulle around it. There! Now I feel like a princess! Guys, look! Oh. I wish I had something like that. I know. Perfect. Now you sit right there, okay? And I can weave this through the holes. Just make sure it's not too tight. Do you know what it is? Just a little warm light. See? Cheese! The queen has moved in. Huh? I want a cool backdrop like that. It's so me, right? Even Sophia has something. I feel left out. Wait. How cute is this headboard? Let's try this again, shall we? Fit for a queen, I'd say. Oh, yeah. Sophia! Essie's officially lost it. So silly. Hey, to each your own, right? Is there any better sound in the world? Just what I was craving. Man, I could eat 1,000,000 of these. Huh? Yeah? Care to share? No? Hey! You can't hog all of those! Just watch me! Hey! It's green versus pink, baby! Hey! Don't hit so hard! Ugh! That's it! Ha! Hey! That was a pretty good shot! I'd say so. Hey! My pillow's ruined! I wasn't even involved in the fight. But a few stains doesn't mean it's garbage. Put the stencil on the fabric and use a stamping brush like this. Eventually, it'll look as cool as this. Done! Isn't it beautiful? Huh? Where'd you get that? I only use pretty pillows. See? We made quite a mess, huh? Ugh. Time to make myself a new one, then. Lay down the blanket and put painter's tape like this. And now comes the paint. I chose green, obviously. I'm just doing this one stripe first. Then do a gradient design. White comes last. And now for the most satisfying part. Now that's a clean line. Check out my new pillowcase. I bet I can do one better. First, let's change the shape. These look an awful lot like eyes. And cheeks. How cute is this guy, huh? Truce. Sounds good to me. Aww. Who wants to fight next? Is there anything better than a potato chip? Huh? Chew! What? That all happened so fast! What's this? What's Cheryl doing over there? Huh? Okay, what's in this thing anyway? Hangers? Ooh. What's this? Maybe we can make something here. I've got my eye on that thing. Sophia? How are you reaching that far? Got it! Phew! This is all I need. I'm happy with this. But first I've gotta make a cool shape. Some green will make it more interesting. It's my favorite color after all. Gotta be careful around those edges. Now flip it around and press. That should be good. Now lift it very carefully. Ta-da! Isn't it spectacular? There! I want something cool like that. I'll just have to make it myself. And what better hue than gold? Once it's dry, put hot glue all along this end. Stop halfway and put another hanger on top. Once it's dry, put it against the side of a wooden tray. I made a little table! Now I can use my computer in bed. Is this brilliant or what? I know! I sure do love butterflies! So why not use some in my jar? Once the glue's on, put it underneath inside the jar. Add in any shapes you want. And now for a little pop of color. And surprise, surprise! I'm using pink! Keep going until you fill in on the space. Almost finished! There! Now put in some twinkle lights. Isn't that magical? This serves as a great nightlight. Whoa! This story's getting crazy. Sophia? Aw, I'm just gonna hold it. Crafting sure makes you tired. Uh-oh. This can't end well. Good. They're asleep. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. That didn't feel good. My foot! I can't take it anymore. Huh? What? Stupid toys everywhere. What gives? It's the middle of the night. What's the matter with you? Well, I, brought you this. Cool! They're like little shelves. Perfect for the top bunk. And they're pink. You don't have to hold that anymore, Essie. Just keep your phone right here. Oh. Looks like I have some fixing to do. I think I know what to do. Place the frame on its side. And add 2 more. Use hot glue on all their edges. Then attach a long wooden rod. Once it's dry, you've got shelves. But let's make it a little prettier. And Essie loves her golden hues. It's looking much better already. Don't you think? All finished. Gee, this is awesome, Cheryl! Phew. Oh. I wonder what I can make with this thing. First, let's paint it a different color. White serves as a great base. Keep going until you've covered the whole board. Remember this guy? That's better. Now put each half here. And add some more. Ta-da! Now these things can do some good. And they're not scattered on the floor. Awesome! Thanks for holding my stuff, guys. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you! This is awesome! Sure. Talk about some damage control. Is this an impressive before and after or what? It's awesome! Wait, who's that? Hey guys! Looking for a roommate? 'Cause I am. I guess we can make some room. Are you inspired by the triple bunk bed idea? Make your own at home with these awesome hacks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.